Hey guys, so you already know by the title of this video that this is a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging for the month of April 2022. So we're going to, I know what's in here because you can pick 3 of the 5 items nowadays. 2 are pre-selected for you based on their quiz that you take when you sign up for the bag, which you can go in and change, by the way. This bag is, I think, $25 a month plus tax. I think it works out to around $27 or something after that. So I haven't got this in a very long time, but we're going to try it out today. Welcome. Didn't say that already. Welcome to my channel if you have not been here. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm happy to have everyone here. So let's get into unbagging this subscription. So first up, this is the bag for this month. Prop that over there. It's super cute. It has daisies. It's like that nylon-y material. It's got a drawstring. So first up in here is a little info card. The theme is Keep Growing for this month. April's Glam Bag is made with recycled fabric. Gives you ways to upcycle your bag. I use these for all kinds of things. It says it's over $120 value. I will pop up on the screen what the actual value of my bag is because I don't know off the top of my head. So there's only one product in here. The rest is floating around in the mailer. This is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH-based yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Dissolves stubborn impurities, helps replenish skin moisture, maintains skin pH balance. I like everything I've ever tried from Dr. Brandt, so I'm excited to try this. I got a lot of skincare this month, which I'm fine with because I've talked a gazillion times before. That is my favorite way to get high-end skincare. So that's what the product looks like. I'm sure it has a safety seal. Yeah. It's got a safety seal. I'm not going to smell and open all of this stuff because I'm not ready to use it yet. Just reaching in blind here. The next thing we have is Huxley Secret of Sahara Mask Oil and Extract. You get 3 sheet masks in here. An innovative dual pouch facial sheet mask that combines cactus extract and hand harvested prickly pear seed oil. It leaves skin soft and glowing, made of soft ultra thin microfiber. Fold over the bottom pouch 3 times as pictured and apply pressure until the pouch pops, releasing oil into the top pouch. When the pouch pops, please note that there may be a loud popping sound. Shake the top pouch to ensure that the sheet inside is fully saturated with oil. After cleansing and toning, apply the sheet mask over the face, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. After removing the sheet, gently pat excess treatment into skin for maximum absorption. So, I'm always down to try a new sheet mask. This is what it looks like. And there are instructions on the back of the bag too in case, I mean, that'd be kind of hard to read, but so we'll test these out. If I get this again next month, I will do an update for you of anything that I have tried by then. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. I just see where I'm at for the month. Next thing. Mischo Beauty Manicure Kit. This is one of the items that I picked. I also picked the sheet masks. I always love to try cuticle oil and stuff like that. So this has a glass nail file, tempered glass free of lead and other toxic substances found in traditional emery boards, easily cleaned and sterilized for long-lasting and hygienic use. I really like crystal nail files or glass nail files. Nail elixir cuticle oil, and then a top coat. So this is what it looks like. It's super fancy. This is the nail file. It comes in a nice little velvet pouch. It feels like it's going to be really nice. So to clean these, you can just rinse them. And then you can sanitize them with rubbing alcohol. But I'll be the only one using it, so I'm probably not going to be too concerned with sanitizing it. And then the next piece in here is, let's see, this is the top coat. I don't want to expose it to the air, so I've been getting back into painting my nails. I'll still use whatever false nail. Sometimes it'll be red aspen or whatever I have back there. And then when I'm done with whatever the design that was on the nail originally, I'll just paint it with some of my polish over here. So I'm getting like extra. I get bored with the same nail color, so I'll just swap it out while they're still on there. These are beautiful, nice glass bottle. I'm pretty sure this is like a plastic top, not really a metal top, but that looks really nice. And then this is the cuticle oil. Just has a nice dropper. I will open this and smell it. It doesn't really have a fragrance. We'll go ahead and use some while we're here. I like that it's a dropper style and not a brush. You can really control how much product you're getting. Feels very nice. I love cuticle oil. That's that. I might be just smelling ingredients. I don't really smell any sort of added fragrance or anything like that. All this stuff has been full size, by the way. Next thing in the bag is from Yensa. Super Serum Silk Foundation with vitamin C and E, ferulic, bakuchiol. Don't know if I'm saying that right. 8 Super Blacks Essence. Helps brighten, improve firmness, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Provides flawless full coverage. I got this in the shade, let's see, the 8 Super Blacks Essence is black tea, black sesame oil, shiitake mushroom, black seaweed, chia seed, Korean black raspberry, nettle, black rice. Really pretty packaging. It's already covered in fingerprints from that cuticle oil. This is super. I need to stop holding things with 2 hands. It's unnecessary. Really pretty packaging. This is like frosted glass and like a copper top. Got mine in the shade medium warm. Has a pump. That's the shade. It'll probably be good for me when I have a fake tan on. It feels really nice. Blends out really nicely. Yeah, I would say that's pretty full coverage. I may go back in and select a different shade for my skin tone because I keep getting the medium shades that either they pre-select for me or that I have the options to pick from are very warm toned, and they don't have undertone choices when you're doing the skincare or the quiz. It's just like fair, light, medium, tan, and deep, I think, are the options. There's no undertones to pick from. So if I had a critique, it would be that. I would like to be able to pick undertones because I keep getting warm undertones and not my jam. I'm excited to test this out. Next time I put on a fake tan, we will give that a go. One more thing left in the bag. Yeah. This is the, oh gosh. I don't know if it's Koa Life or KOA like camping. Vitamin C brightening oil. Reduces appearance of hyperpigmentation, reduces visibility of aging, ultra hydrating, evens complexion. Apply 3 to 5 drops onto hands and massage gently onto face and neck. No mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. That's what that looks like. I love vitamin C. That's what that looks like. It's a really pretty amber bottle. I'm also not going to open this because it's vitamin C, and like once the air hits it, you got to start using it. So, but it's a nice dropper style. I like that it has a plastic safety seal on it. Yeah, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag plus this month for the month of April. If you want me to keep getting this subscription, let me know. I will leave a sign up link down below. It's a referral link. It's not an affiliate link. I think I get points or something if anyone signs up using my link, but it's anyone can get it. It's like if you were to sign up, or if you already have it, you can just share your link with whoever, and if someone signs up, then you get that bonus points or whatever it is that they do now. So leave that down below. Please let me know any other videos you would like to see. Leave your requests down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already. Bye.